Hey Dreamers, I've got some big news to share with you today. It's official. Based on your feedback, Creative Fabrica put all hands on deck to expedite the process of getting all of our content listed on their site. So as of this very moment, every single Dreaming Tree project, 972 in total, are available on Creative Fabrica. That means cards, boxes, our 3D statement pieces, gift bags, everything we've ever made is now part of your all access membership. And just like always, every project includes an assembly video to guide you step by step through the process. Now, some of you have wondered if we'll continue doing assembly videos in the future. The answer, of course, is absolutely. I love making the videos, and I think it's really a huge part of the Dreaming Tree magic, so no worries there. Now, many of our dreamers already have an all access membership or have recently joined to continue supporting us, but there's still a good chunk that hasn't made its way over. And I think today's a good reason to get signed up. And I realize change isn't always fun or easy, but if you love our content and want to keep seeing what I honestly believe are the best 3D SVG designs in the industry, please consider subscribing today. You know that you can always rely on us if you are unsure about anything regarding the sign-up process or anything else related to the Creative Fabrica site. Mike and I are always here to help and walk you through basically anything. Now, on a personal note, this partnership with Creative Fabrica has been wonderful for us. It's given us more time to create, and I think the designs we've been putting out recently are some of our best work yet. Instead of spending our days on the techie, behind-the-scenes stuff, we're finally channeling that energy back into design. So that's exciting, and they've been wonderful to us. We're actually going to visit them in less than 2 weeks, and I plan on doing a little video blog about the experience, so watch for that. And finally, I did the math, and with almost 1,000 items, let's say we price them at $2.99 each, it comes out to about $3,000 worth of content for $47 a year. So let's show Creative Fabrica how strong, dedicated, and loyal the Dreaming Tree audience is. If you haven't joined yet, today's a great day to do it. If you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, be sure to use the special link in the description when you go to sign up. This signals to Creative Fabrica that it's you, the Dreaming Tree community, that's jumping in. Also, stay tuned after this video for a quick walkthrough of the sign-up process where I'll try to cover some of the questions you had about this process. And I'll just say this, we're not done. We've got more exciting news to share with you next week. We've taken all of your feedback from recent polls, social comments, phone calls, emails, etc., and want you to know that Creative Fabrica is listening. They love our content, they love our community of crafters, and would love to earn your business. I just hope you take a look at All Access if you haven't already, dive in, and keep crafting with us. I'll see you next week. All right, thanks for sticking around for this quick little tutorial on the sign-up process. It's actually pretty straightforward. There's a couple ways of doing it. I would just visit creativefabrica.com using the links under the video or in the newsletter that you just received. And from the homepage, just click on free trial. So here's where some people have gone a little astray. There's basically 4 ways of creating an account. I would just recommend typing in an email address here and then creating a password and hitting register. And again, if you have a Gmail account, you can log in with the Gmail account. It's the same password that you use for Gmail. And you also have the option of logging in using Facebook or logging in with your Apple account. I personally would just recommend that you sign up with your email, type in a password that you want to use, and click register for free. And once you type in the email address and password that you want to use, they're going to send you a confirmation number. You'll want to copy and paste that into this screen and click register for free. Now, you can start the membership right away, but this is for the free trial. And in order to get the free trial, you do need to put in billing information. So you can use PayPal, a card, or Apple Pay. So I'm just going to select PayPal, and I'm going to activate the free trial. And if you select PayPal, it'll pop up, a PayPal window will pop up afterwards. Just complete the PayPal process, agree, and continue, and your trial will begin. Now, at this point on this screen with all the confetti, you can simply get started and grab your free files. or you can just upgrade immediately and just not worry about it. I'm just going to get started here. The first screen that comes up is just a few of their most popular items right now. So if you see something you like, you can literally just hit download. Otherwise, you can hit continue to Creative Fabrica. And once that's complete, you'll be taken to a little landing page that you typically don't see on the main homepage. This just kind of comes up after you start your trial. Now, I'm naturally going to click on 3D SVG, and that will officially bring up the Creative Fabrica website. Now, when you click on the 3D SVG section, naturally, because our stuff is the most popular content on their site, you're going to see a lot of Dreaming Tree stuff. We can click here to look at all of the 3D SVG crafts. And again, you will be pretty much, well, you can't miss the Dreaming Tree stuff. Again, we probably have the most popular, if not the most popular content on Creative Fabrica. But one quick way of finding all of our stuff is by simply clicking on one of these. And this will take you to the product page. On the product page, if you scroll down just a tad, you'll see View Profile. Okay, and also there's a, well, let's view the profile. You can follow us here by clicking follow, and I'll explain what that does in a minute. But if you click View Profile, it will take you to what is considered our shop page. Okay, and here is where you'll find everything Dreaming Tree. Now, one quick way to access this once you've followed us, here's the little follow button, is by going under My Account. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see Designers I Follow. And you'll see our Dreaming Tree shop here. So when you log in, click on My Profile, My Account, and click on Designers I Follow. And that will cut through everything else and get you directly to the Dreaming Tree stuff. Another way of doing that is, again, by just simply typing Dreaming Tree into the search and locating just one of our items. It's pretty obvious which ones are ours, and we still have the little logo on each photo. So you can click on that. And again, by scrolling down under View Profile, that will take you to our shop. Now, one other thing you can do is create a bookmark in your browser so that you can just go under your bookmarks and access our page directly that way. And you can take it a step further and place that bookmark on your desktop. Now, I'm going to cover all that in another video, but so that's pretty much it. One other thing I want to point out while I'm here is under Clubhouses, we do have a Paper Crafts Clubhouse. And as you can see here, the community leaders include myself and Mike, and we try to hang out in here as much as possible as well. So this is another great place for, just to kind of interact with us. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. And again, I have more content centered around the Creative Fabrica website coming in the upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you over at Creative Fabrica.